Welcome. Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law, probate attorney, guardianship, all things for the wise. Our wise population, anyone over 45 years old, that's what I've been told. Sometimes I have people that come to me, so I'll give an example of an intake conversation that I had with a prospective client. I had spoken to this client a few weeks ago on the phone. So the progression of conversations with this prospective client went something along the lines of this person had telephoned my office, wanted some information about a trust and estate planning. Now, she viewed my webinar. She attended. I was there. I don't remember if she asked any questions, but she did, observe me giving my webinar about estate planning, pre-planning, Medicaid asset protection, things like that. Then we had a telephone call, and I answered questions for her. And in the call, there was a lot of, I know this, and I know that. And, I joke around and I say, well, I'm not quite sure you know it because you don't have a trust, right? And if you knew it, you would have already had something like that, right? So I was just teasing her. And this week, she came into my office and we met in person across the conference room table, socially distanced with masks. And she asked me some questions about her assets, where she had them, perhaps what we could do with them in terms of planning, providing for her, family members, things like that. And after the meeting, some of the concern was if she put all of her money or the bulk of her money into a trust, how would she access it? Would it be possible to access it? And how she could potentially live. So we went over some of the options, strategies that we could use. And at the end of the meeting, she said, I'm really glad that I came in because I feel much better. So some people just need the face-to-face. The Zoom, she got to see me. The telephone call, she got to hear me. But in the conference room, she could see and hear me. Feel me? I don't know if we shook hands or fist bump. No. I think we just waved, right? No human contact, but there was human connection. So if you'd like that human connection, in the age of COVID, all of our meetings start by telephone, right? Because why waste anyone's time? We could get a little bit of information. It might be you want me to do something that I just can't do. It might be that I can provide information and you want to hire me right away, right? People do that. We engage in that way. We can sign up electronically. I can send you a draft electronically. There's so much we could do without meeting, but sometimes you just need that human connection. If you'd like that, please reach out. FrankBrunoLaw.com.